Welcome to our basic English lesson. Today we will learn about greetings and introductions essential for starting conversation in English. In English, we use simple phrases to greet someone. Hello and hi are common and friendly. Use good morning, good afternoon, good evening depending on the time of day. When someone greets you, respond with how you feel. For example, I am fine, thank you, or I'm doing great. Then ask them how they are. Introducing yourself helps others know more about you. Start with your name, where you are from, and something interesting about you, like your job or hobbies. My name is John. I am from Mexico. I work as a cashier. I like football. You can ask simple questions to learn about others. Questions like, what's your name? Or where are you from? Show interest and help you make connections. Politeness is key in any language. Use words like please, thank you, excuse me to show respect and kindness. Let's put it all together with a practice dialogue. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Thanks. How about you? I'm great. What's your name? My name is Alex. What's yours? Thanks for joining this lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more lessons.